How are you, Jose?
I don't know, it took too long. Actually, I'm excited, senor.
Why are you excited, Jose?
Probably because you're holding his stick.
Do you have to do jokes like that?
It's just weird to me that in front of everyone you're holding Jose's stick.
Any suggestions?
You should at least take him out to dinner first.
It's just a stick.
Maybe it's actually a handle. A handle. Yeah, you could use Jose as a weapon.
To hit with.
Yes! I want to go back in the box. Oh, this is awesome! What happened to Frank? He got whacked by a jalapeno. On the stick. Yes! Think about it. You'd be wielding a Mexican whacker. On the stick. Yes! Look, you know how Batman had his sidekick Robin, and one of their weapons was a batarang?
Yes, of course. Oh, dude.
What? You just showed your geek. And it smells like loser. You are not a loser, senor.
Thank you, Jose.
Suck up. Muppet reject. Hey, he can drop you, and then I'll throw down a couple of avocados, and we got guacamole. I could still burn your ass. Good point. All right. Look, wait! The Batman thing just made me think of something.
What?
If this comedy business doesn't work out for you,
Yeah?
you can be a crime fighter.
A crime fighter?
Yes, you could be Dunham Man. With Jose, your trusty sidestick.
So you're saying I would be a superhero?
Ish. Is this like Jewish? No, Jose, you're not Jewish, because then you wouldn't be Jose Jalapeno. You'd be Jaime Jalapeno. On a bagel. Where would you hold him then? In the hole. I am not touching that. No, you probably never have.
Okay.
This sucks! So we're a crime-fighting team, senor? Yes!
What kind of crime do we fight?
Illegal aliens? I think